Today is Control Journal Day. That's right. On day 11 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are going to work on our control journals. And I hope you had a lovely weekend maintaining our habits, which so far have been in the evening, shining our sinks, picking out our clothes, a 2-minute hot spot, and telling ourselves and others some kind and encouraging words. And in the morning, it has been getting dressed to shoes, a 2-minute hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue, and a 15-minute rest. And also saying kind words to ourselves and others. In the 5-minute hot spot and the 15-minute rest, make sure to put that wherever it makes sense for you, whether it be in the morning or in the evening. In addition to a 15-minute rest, right before that, we're going to do a 15-minute declutter, just so we can get into the habit of decluttering every single day. However, today, we're going to work on our control journals. We're going to find some inspiring phrases that motivate, encourage, and uplift us, and we're going to print them out. We're also going to take the sheet of our routines, also linked down below if you haven't gotten yours yet, and we're going to put it inside control journal. To make a control journal, all you need is a binder. Anyone will do. This was $1 at the former Dollar Tree, but I'm sure these days you can find it for $1.25, or you can get any other ones that you happen to have around your home. Do not feel like you have to go out and buy a binder just for this. If you happen to have a planner, I'm pretty sure you can use that as well. If you don't have a planner, but you would like one, I do have some for 2023 linked below for under $20. And stay tuned because the 2024 ones will be coming out shortly, Lord willing. A peek at my control journal will show you some motivated sayings. This is one of my favorite quotes. My position is a little bit awkward to page through it right now, but I have my meal plans, my favorite scripture, which is the basis of my channel, by God's grace. I also have meal plans. I mentioned that already. I keep my budget here also and some more personal things, such as a running to-do list. I do have this beautiful homemaker's prayer, which I will, again, link down below. And I have things a to-buy list because my family and I got out of over $50,000 of debt with the help of the Dave Ramsey system. And in order to not get back into debt, I keep track of things that I would like to purchase in the future. I don't feel like I'll forget it and I must buy it right away. Since we don't use credit cards or anything like that, and we're all about frugality, it really helps. These are just some ideas of what you can have in your control journal. Do not feel overwhelmed today. All you're going to do is print out the inspiring sayings. But if you have a couple of more minutes and you would like to brainstorm some categories for your control journal, feel free to do that. I used to have the zones in here, but since I know them now, I don't really reference to that as much. I also use a planner, so I don't need every single category in here. But this one is mainly for my home and how to run it. But yeah, that was just a little sneak peek at my own control journal. Hopefully it'll inspire you. A control journal is pretty personal, so be sure to put things that are super duper important to you and your family if your children go to school outside the home, and it helps to keep their schedule. If you homeschool, you can put your curriculums in there and warranties for the home, basically anything. But like I said, today just get some wonderful things that inspire you, scriptures, anything like that. And maybe, just maybe, brainstorm some categories that you will have in your control journal. Continue on with all of our habits, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 12 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.